Apple's September events are always packed with iPhones, but this year there's another product that could steal the spotlight, the Apple TV 4K 2025. Now, I know what you're thinking, it's just a little black box for streaming, right? Well, not anymore. The next Apple TV isn't just about Netflix and Apple TV Plus, it's about gaming, smart homes, and the future of Apple Intelligence. With a powerful A17 Pro chip, 8K streaming, and deeper HomeKit integration, this device could redefine what lives in your living room. In today's video, we're breaking down everything we know so far, from design leaks and new features to the rumored release date and price. And trust me, by the end you might just see this tiny box as one of Apple's biggest plays for 2025. Design and build refined look. Apple may slim down the box, making it sleeker and easier to place in modern setups. Sustainable materials. Expect Apple to move away from plastics and use recycled aluminum or eco-friendly composites to meet carbon-neutral goals. Possible built-in camera. Rumors suggest a FaceTime-ready camera integrated into the Apple TV, allowing video calls without needing to prop up your iPhone or iPad. Power and performance. A17 Pro chip borrowed from the iPhone 15 Pro. This is a console-level processor that can handle advanced graphics and multitasking. Future-proofing with Apple Intelligence AI. Rolling out this chip ensures the device stays powerful for at least 4 or 5 years. Better multitasking, seamless switching between apps, no lag, and lightning-fast interface navigation. Gaming revolution. AAA gaming support. Games like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage could run natively on the Apple TV. Apple Arcade expansion. Higher performance encourages developers to bring bigger, better titles to Apple Arcade. Cross-device play. Start on your iPhone, continue on Apple TV, and finish on your Mac or iPad. Controller support works with PlayStation, Xbox, and third-party controllers for a console-like feel. Connectivity and smart home integration. Wi-Fi 6E. Faster, more stable streaming with less interference. Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi combo chip. Optimized pairing with AirPods, HomePods, and accessories. Smart Home Hub controls HomeKit devices. Think cameras, smart locks, thermostats, all from your TV. Future-proof accessories. Rumored Apple smart displays, security cameras, and even robotic devices could integrate directly. Apple Intelligence and Siri AI integration. With Apple Intelligence rolling out, expect advanced Siri features in 2026. Personalized suggestions, smarter TV recommendations, home automation, and reminders. Natural conversations. A more human-like Siri, understanding context and multiple commands. Price and release date likely September 2025 alongside iPhone 17 or October/November as a fall launch. Price range $149 to $179 USD due to the A17 Pro chip. A cheaper $99 model is possible but less likely because of tariffs and chip costs. Comparison. Still cheaper than game consoles but pricier than a basic Roku or Amazon Fire Stick. Point 1. A17 Pro chip, console-level power. The biggest upgrade is the move to the A17 Pro chip, first introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro. It's built on 3nm architecture, which means it's faster, more efficient, and generates less heat than older chips. For the Apple TV, this unlocks console-like gaming, smoother multitasking, and future-proof performance for AI applications. Expect higher frame rates, better graphics rendering, and instant app loading compared to the 2022 model. Wi-Fi 6E support. Faster and more stable Wi-Fi 6E extends Wi-Fi into the 6 GHz band, reducing congestion from household devices. Perfect for households where multiple users are streaming, gaming, or video calling at the same time. Enables buffer-free 4K and even 8K streaming in the future. Reduces latency, which is crucial for cloud gaming and FaceTime calls. New combo chip. Wi-Fi Bluetooth. Apple is reportedly building its own wireless combo chip. Merges Wi-Fi and Bluetooth into one efficient module. Benefits: faster pairing with AirPods and controllers. Improved audio sync when connecting multiple devices. Lower power consumption, extending accessory battery life. Could also make multi-room syncing with HomePods much faster. 8K ready streaming. Apple TV 4K 2025 is expected to support 8K resolution, preparing for the future of Apple TV Plus and premium streaming platforms. While most people don't have 8K TVs yet, this is a future-proof feature. Advanced HDR formats. Dolby Vision HDR10 ensure the best possible picture quality. Perfect for those who want to invest in cutting-edge home theaters. Gaming integration. Apple's console play. With the A17 Pro, the Apple TV can handle AAA-level games, not just mobile-style titles. Apple Arcade will expand with bigger, graphically intensive games. Cross-device play lets you start on iPhone, continue on iPad, and finish on your TV seamlessly. Native support for Xbox, PlayStation, and third-party controllers means no compromise in gameplay. FaceTime integration rumored. Currently, you can use your iPhone or iPad for FaceTime on TV via continuity camera. The 2025 Apple TV could include a built-in camera for FaceTime, Zoom, or Teams. This would transform Apple TV into a family communication hub, perfect for group calls and work meetings. With AI-powered backgrounds and filters, it could rival dedicated smart displays. Eco-friendly design. Apple is moving toward 100% recycled materials in its products. Expect Apple TV 2025 to use recycled aluminum or sustainable composites instead of plastic. Smaller, more compact design reduces packaging and shipping footprint. Aligns with Apple's 2030 carbon neutral goal. Smart Home Hub control everything. Apple TV already acts as a HomeKit hub, but 2025 takes it further. With Wi-Fi 6E and a new chip, it can act as the command center for all smart devices. Possible features: manage cameras, locks, thermostats, and lights directly from your TV. Serve as a Matter hub for universal smart home compatibility. Sync with HomePods for whole home audio. Apple Intelligence support. AI-driven future. The A17 Pro chip makes the Apple TV ready for Apple Intelligence. Apple's new AI platform, WY 2026 Siri, will become far more advanced. Smarter TV recommendations. Show me the best sci-fi movies with 90% or higher Rotten Tomatoes ratings. AI-powered home automations. Set the lights to movie mode when Netflix starts. Contextual reminders. Don't forget your call after this episode. Could even integrate with Vision OS and Apple's VR/AR strategy in the future. Affordable premium option. Current Apple TV costs $129, but the 2025 version is expected to be $149, $179. This keeps it cheaper than consoles, but premium compared to Roku or Fire Stick. Apple could launch two models: standard model $149 for streaming plus Smart Home Pro model $179 with higher storage for gamers and AI features. The Apple TV 4K 2025 is shaping up to be more than a TV accessory. It's a powerful hybrid device that blends streaming, gaming, smart home control, and AI into one sleek box. With its A17 Pro chip, Wi-Fi 6E smart home integration, and future AI capabilities, it could be the most important Apple product for the living room in years. So that's the full breakdown of the Apple TV 4K 2025, a device that's quietly becoming more than just a streaming box. With console-level gaming, AI-driven Siri, and the ability to act as the hub of your smart home, this could be one of Apple's most important updates in years. But now I want to hear from you. Would you actually buy the new Apple TV if it launches at around $149 to $179? Or is your current Apple TV still doing the job? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss future Apple news, leaks, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.